This is part 2! And at the end of part 1 we saw that 365-510 going to Cambridge, but now he's gone. And we have a 317. A new career Great Northern livery, 317. Please write in the comments, which 317 do you prefer? The old 317 from Great Northern, or the slightly better version of a Abellio Greater Anglia class 317. Write in the description box below. But now, oh hang on, no, this could be an Abellio Greater Anglia, because I just realised they had the exact same livery. Oh no, this one is Abellio. Whoops, not Great Northern. 317 501. Oh no, 317 501. A 317 crossover. Lovely jubbly. Oh, this is epic. Oh, hang on. It's an old one again. Abellio Greater Anglia. God, these things don't stop giving, do they? Well, you two. 317 511. Oh, lovely! Surprise little toot. 317 511. Surprise little toot as he was going under that bridge, I must say. Oh, why couldn't the other one do that? His back destination board is a bit glitchy. As to be expected, these trains are very old indeed. Well, guys, what a start to part 2, eh? I reckon there should be a third part. 3 parts of trains? No way! Oh yes, wait, this is awesome. Points are set. Next train coming in is next train to come out, I should say, of Cambridge will be a career Great Northern 365, 321 or 317. See you then. Bye. Hello guys! Like I said, we do have a career Great Northern 365. We have 365. Sorry, my brother's doing bowl flips. Well guys, this is if we can get into 2, what a great start to part 2. I want to get more tones in part 2 than in part 1, because part 1 didn't go, well, it went well, but not as many tones as I expected. Those are people commenting on my videos, like saying I'm gay. Whoever does that, that's just mean. But hey yo, I don't really care. I like trains, I'm allowed to like trains, there's nothing wrong with liking trains, so, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure these train drivers, when our kids like trains, they got the piss taken out of them, but look at them now! Like, they're going along, tooting at me, making videos. I used to call these the happy trains, because they always make me happy. Or if they tooted anyway, that won't be happy, but they don't toot. 3.5, 506. Smoothly departing. That's going to go straight to Royston. Down from 534. That's going to Royston, Ashford Morden, Baldock, Letchworth, Hitchin, Stevenage, Finchley Park, and London King's Cross. That will be forming, I don't know, that was the 1630, I reckon, time from Cambridge. So, see you soon again. Here comes a 365, guys, sorry for the long wait. Come on, baby. Come on. 355 I'm really confused at just what happened there. Well, guys, I'm going to pause because my brother's doing stupid bottle flips. Hello guys, the 307's come. This is going to be a bit rare. Because you know the 305's just gone by. Well, 307 hasn't got space. Boy, else. I feel. Oh, it's a double. It's a double, yeah. I know it's gone amber. He ain't going to stop. Sorry guys, I thought it was going to be rare, but no. No, the trains must go forward. Stop. France and 506. I'm feeling your green around the 307 504 and 307 506 would make sense, don't it? Double plus 2 equals 6, like from 4, like, you know, plus 2. Yeah, right, that was a bit different. Right, we're going to move sides. See you soon. Hello guys, we have a 170 again. And it's just getting better and better. Guys, these trains are awesome and low. It's going very slow. But I can't hear him. Awesome. Come the tea! Come on, 170! Come on! Come on, you lovely locomotive! Oh god, do a review on one of them when I get one. I'm definitely buying one of them when I'm older. Definitely buying a class 170 right back one. And it's going to be cross country, and I hope it's that number. Because, guess what? They're amazing! Well guys, see you soon. Hello guys, Great Northern 305. Come on! We need some luck. Come on 305, thank you. Lovely! Lovely wave and a lovely toe! 325s are the best. Woohoo! 325, 524 at the front. And we'll be up at the back. 35508. Oh my god, is that? Oh, wicked driver. Legend. Oh, lovely. I love it when they toot. It's just. So, guys, I'm gonna pause. Oh, soon anyway. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, we're back and we have a career Great Northern 317. Yeah, I've always trained to 310. I really don't know. I reckon Cambridge train station must be packed full of trains. But I'm not letting them out because I don't know. I really don't know why they don't let them out. When the first time. Nah, turbo stars are 317. No, not 317, 170s. Start now. Really do hope that this is the second right there. There we go. From 7 6. did. I bloody did. We could have nearly had a derailment with that class 379 down there. Come on! Oh, he's a double! He's a double 379. If this guy toots... Come on! Come on! You beautiful locomotive! Just look at you, you can toot! Very nice. Don't even bother! Get it locomotive! 379 010. Oh yeah, baby, on you too. Oh, you're not really worth it. Oh, you. This spot is amazing, amazing. Right, guys, I got a parcel. Next train comes. Hello, guys. We have a train 317. After this, we're going to go get something to eat, and then we're going to go to a different spot, to train spot. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It looks to be going quite fast. Come on, Mr. Freon. From 7504. Guys, please like and subscribe. I'm going to transport somewhere else now.